Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Facebook app black screen issue in Android. Click settings, click app management, click app list, click Facebook app, click storage use, click clear data, click force stop, then open Google Play Store, then search Facebook app, click Facebook app. If you get any update, please update. Thanks for watching.